everybody, what's inside my bag?
Can you show your bag? Can you turn around? Wow, I really like it.
This is from my friend named Mimi and Jaden.
Oh, they gave it to you?
Yeah, from Tita Jen. Your
Wow.
mom and dad.
Where did they get it?
From Disneyland.
Wow, they bought it in Disneyland?
Yeah.
Wow, they are sweet. Okay,
Yeah.
now
And
we're
Mimi,
gonna...
wait, I have something to say. Mimi, Jaden, and go to Disneyland, and you, Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse backpack for you guys.
Oh, you wanna go to the Disneyland and get some backpack for them too?
Yeah.
Nice. Maybe we can go there if there's no more virus, right?
Right.
Okay, now we're gonna start what inside Bella's bag. Okay, let's see. First, Bella will show what's in here in the small packet. So everybody will see.
In my mask, you have to wear a mask when you go to the store or outside because there's a coronavirus like this.
I think it's upside down
Oh,
because the Mickey Mouse. Yeah, I think that's right. Do you know where did you get that mask?
from my tita.
Tita Leia made it, right?
Yeah, she made it.
Okay, and the next, can I see? Just let me know if you need help, okay?
Okay. Is a hand sanitizer.
What's that?
This is a hand sanitizer.
Hand sanitizer. Wow. Can I see? This is Bella's hand sanitizer. This is cute. So little.
Yeah, and also.
Why do you need hand sanitizer?
So you put it in your hand and take it, you go outside and touch anything. There's coronavirus when you touch anything outside.
Oh, that's right. Okay. And next, do you have more in the small packet?
But I'm gonna tell you something about this. I'm gonna tell you something about coronavirus.
Okay.
And also, just put it in your hand. When you go to the store, you need to wear it.
Oh, okay.
After you go to the store.
Oh, yeah,
Even
that's
if-
correct.
Yeah, and after you go outside.
That's a very good idea, Bella.
That's all right.
There's more in the small packet or no more?
No more.
Okay, where did you get that? This is the next one here at the side. Did you get it here? Oh, what's that?
It's a nail clipper for my sister named Sienna and me. And also, when you have long nails and your fingers, you touch your nail with this.
Oh,
Nail
wow,
clipper.
that's a nail clipper. Can I see it? Good job. So this is for you and Sienna, right?
Next is here.
Oh, wow, what's that?
A hairbrush. We
Oh,
use it to comb our hairs.
wow, good job. You're bringing your hair comb, your hairbrush. Okay, and the next.
It's here.
Oh, you want to start the... You can show it to them.
This is my almond milk.
Can I see? Wait. Can I see? This is organic chocolate banana almond. Wow.
It's healthy for us.
Oh, it's healthy.
Yes?
This is my medicine.
Oh, why you have medicine? Can I see?
In case I got sick.
Yeah, this is Benadryl because Bella has a eczema. Sometimes she's itchy, so she needs it.
So I got snacks.
Oh, what's that? Can I see?
This is snacks.
Oh, wow. This is cheddar bunnies cracker. Yummy. Okay, what else?
This is and taste I got hungry.
Oh, okay.
And also bananas.
Oh, you have banana. Do you like banana?
Yeah.
Okay.
And also you use it to eat it. Like
Oh.
monkey.
Like monkey? Can you show me how to eat that monkey?
I'm not sure. But don't peel it.
Okay, maybe later you can show it to me, not right now.
Yeah.
Okay, can you show more?
Yeah. There is grapes.
Wow. Do you like green grapes?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay.
And there is strawberries, healthy for us.
Wow, more fruits. Can I see? Wow, this is grapes.
You mean strawberries?
Oh, yeah. Grapes and strawberry. I'm sorry.
And also there is cream and taste other sunburns.
Can I see? Oh, I think this is triamcinolone. This is for your skin because sometimes you have rashes. So we have to bring that all the time.
Yeah. And also this is
Pokey. Can I see? This is yummy chocolate stick. Okay, then what else?
and also thermometer and taste like a stick.
Oh, thermometer. Yeah, that's
So my
very
mommy-
important.
And taste my mom checks me if I'm sick or not.
Yeah, we need to bring that all the time because if you are not feeling well, I have to check your temperature.
Yeah, and this sunglasses.
Oh, wow.
And taste I got sunny in my eye.
Yeah, that's right. In case it's a sunny day, so your eye not gonna hurt from the sun. Okay. Can you show me more?
Yeah.
Okay.
And the last thing it is a clothes.
Oh,
And
you have
that
clothes?
that's dirty.
Oh, you have extra t-shirt and extra pants. So in case you get dirty, you have your extra t-shirt.
Also, and then tell you something else. I'll be right back.
Wait, Ate Bella, are you sure you're done? Can I see? Okay. Okay, no more. And this is small packet. I think you have more. Can you show me? I think here. Oh, here.
Yeah.
Oh, what's that?
This is pony.
Oh, that's your extra ponytail, huh?
Is and taste my hair tiny and taste my hair is so tangled.
A few moments later.
Hi everybody, today my sister, she's allowed now. Wow! And also what's inside her bag.
What inside her bag? Can you check her bag?
Let's take her off her
Oh,
bag.
wow. She has a small bag also?
Yeah, she does. This my bag when I was a little. Now this piano.
Oh, that was your bag when you were little, huh? Now you're sharing?
Wait, Sienna.
Okay, wait, I can help you.
Thank you.
Here, 1, 2, 3. Okay, what's inside her bag?
Everything so it will have face.
Wow, Sienna like all your things.
She has diaper.
Wow, she has diaper there.
She doesn't need her bouquet.
Okay. And then what else? Can you get it? Please.
Yeah. Oh no, I keep dropping.
Oh, wow. She has a baby toy. Because she's a baby, right?
Does she have baby food?
Oh, baby food. Can I see her baby food? Oh, this is a fruit and vegetable pouches. Uh-oh, you wanna eat that now? And what else?
Is
Oh, milk. She wants to eat it now.
and that's the end.
Oh, that's it? Okay, say bye. Not yet?
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Bye.
Hi, Sienna.
Bye-bye. They started to eat right now, so we're not in the door.
Oh, you decided to eat right now?
Yeah. So I can't open this. I can't.
Okay, I can help you. Okay, and then what do you want to eat for snacks? You want bunny cracker? Okay. How about for you, Sienna? Here's your almond chocolate milk.
Careful.
And this one, you want this? Okay.
I'll be right back.
You want banana, Sienna?
I put it. It's a round thing for nothing to go on the table.
Oh, that's good idea. Can I see? Wow, that's a coaster. Drink coaster. So you can put your drink there so you don't spill anything on your table. Good job. Sienna likes banana. Look, she's trying to open it. Oh my gosh. She opened already.
Ew, that's disgusting. No. No, I don't want it. I don't want that. Don't eat it. Ah!
No, Sienna, don't eat that.
Ew, that's
Okay, say bye. That's for today.